I'm going to do a video comparing these two cell phones of mine. We're going to make a video. Doesn't have to be of nothing spectacular. Cars driving by. I don't have a proper setup to hold the camera. I need to design something to hold this thing. But let's make a video with each camera and see if there's a visible difference in the quality of the video. Okay, it's recording now. This is a video made with the LG G3 Android phone. In a second we'll do the HTC Vivid. Now I want to talk a little bit about my HTC Vivid. I did a video yesterday getting it up and running. I have updated the apps on it. It's working 100% better. Connecting to my Wi-Fi here in the house, I can surf the internet, do just about anything I want on this old HTC. Anybody get their hands on an old HTC or any of them old Androids? They really work pretty good with these new apps that are out, but you had to update the apps. All of them were out of date. A lot of these phone companies, internet phones, cell phones, seem to get a lot of credit, where credit doesn't really belong to them. Credit belongs to these high quality apps that they're running. I'm telling you, there's a heck of a difference on my HTC Vivid now that I updated the apps and got more up-to-date apps. Email works pretty good. The screen isn't quite as big, but I'm really impressed on how well it works. I guess I'll see about buying a SIM card to put in it, a prepaid SIM card or something, to see if it's not really needed. I wonder if you buy a prepaid SIM card, if you just don't ever use it for phone calls, will it expire, or is it unlimited on the amount of time you can use it? Alright, that's going to conclude the video with the LG G3. Now let's hook up the HTC Vivid. Okay, at this point the HTC Vivid video is running. I'm really impressed on how well that I've got this camera up and running. I plan on using this camera quite a bit. You can put this in your pocket and take it around. You won't have to stick a GoPro on your head all the time. It's small, easy, convenient to carry around. If I lose it or break it, I've still got my own cell phone to deal with. I found out the reason I was having trouble with the cables and stuff on this HTC Vivid. I was using just these little old cheap cables I got laying around the house. Come to find out, the cable that came with this camera is a much higher quality cable. It's bigger, must have more wires in it or something, because you gotta have it hooked up to run it on the computer. You gotta use the proper cable. Even though they look just alike on the ends, they're not the same. And the only way I found that out was doing a Google search, and somebody else did the same thing as I did and couldn't figure why his computer wouldn't recognize his camera. It boils down to you gotta have the right cable. And believe me, I had to search all over the house to find the right cable. Anyway, let's see if this quality video makes any difference from the HTC to the LG3. Not much of a vlog today, but I appreciate you tuning in. And this be Pwalpar signing out.